If you're a curious mind, you need to know why we hiccup. It's more than just a random noise. So what's up with those annoying sounds? Turns out it all starts with your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs. When it gets irritated, it spasms. Think of it like your diaphragm having a mini tantrum. This spasm makes you inhale suddenly and boom, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hiccup sound. But why does the diaphragm get moody? Eating too fast fizzy drinks or even excitement can set it off. It's like your diaphragm is saying, slow down, buddy. Fun fact, hiccups usually stop on their own, but holding your breath or gulping water can help. So next time you hiccup, just remember, your diaphragm's just throwing a tiny party. Stay curious and keep those questions coming.